Hi, yarn besties. My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. So I thought I would do something a little different. Okay, so basically I want to address a question that I was asked in my Crafty Crocheter page because I thought this was really important for anyone else who's having the same kind of question. So the question was, if I'm the Crafty Crocheter, why am I teaching people to knit? About a reasonable question. I mean, I'll give it that, and the reason that I am teaching knitting and crochet is because I believe that crocheters should be able to knit and knitters should be able to crochet. So it's not like you're stigmatized to do one craft. So just because my name is the Crafty Crocheter does not mean that I am strictly to be pigeonholed into crochet only. So and by doing the knitting aspect of my page, I also did not want to limit my audience either, because I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who just strictly knit and they want to look for other content creators who knit as well, even if they also crochet, or also for those crocheters who are looking to knit, because I was crocheting for the longest time and then I started knitting again because I guess the whole result was that whole Stephen West MCal thing, and a couple other creators had worked on it, and so I thought, well, there are certain projects that work better with knitting than with crocheting, and vice versa. So I thought, if I want to learn to crochet again, learn to knit again, then I should be able to learn how to basically work any knitting pattern. And right now, if you're following my videos, I've been doing this project for Learn to Knit in 50 Squares, and that book is really great if you want to get into knitting, and it teaches you all the different knitting techniques and tricks and stitches, and while it also allows you to create this nice little blanket project. So I'm working on the 19th or 20th square right now. Well, not right now because I'm working on this, but as one of my current whips, I have that going. So I thought I would just address that question if anyone else was having that as well. It's like, why you call yourself the Crafty Crocheter if you are teaching people to knit? Because I guess, like I said, I believe that we're not, just because we're crocheters doesn't mean that we're stigmatized or pigeonholed to just crochet only. And same thing with knitters too, that just because you're knit does not mean you're stigmatized or pigeonholed to do knit only. And plus, I've always been a jack of all trades anyway, so I learn a little of everything as I go. I hope that answers your questions. So, hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another, be kind to one another, spread kindness, pay it forward. Love yourself, be true to yourself, and stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important any time of the year. And on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.